Bomb has been planted. Diffusing. Throwing flashbang.
He's low. Nice. Oh, no.
No, there's two people lobby.
They're all lit. One more to your right.
I know you'd be laughing to yourself so hard every time you get a Zeus kill.
Bench pot.
Bomb has been planted. Defusing the bomb.
One right side.
You got this.
No fucking way! Let's fucking go, y'all! There are two top men. Only one dead.
One more. There. Nice, dude.
Shit, yellow, you him. Wait, hit him. That works.
Oh god. Bomb is gonna be a pain in the ass to get. Alright, we gotta move.
He's in double.
I thought he was in.
One
Oh
under
my
me.
god.
One under palace. Under palace. One more by stairs. Was off. Good shit, Tyson. I'm making a geo with the dagger sucker for that.
Just a
There's one on top of cat. He's going into. Yep. He's weak. He's fucking weak. Get that bitch.
planted.
There's no fucking way you just said that. There's no fucking way. He just fucking goes out gun wild and fucking gets Zeus. Nice.
That shit.
I love you, Nagav.
Bro, I love you too. I'm back. I'm here, bro. I'm here. Bro, I'm here all game. I got you. I'm gonna hit a Zeus and trophy. Watch. Watch it. Watch it. Shit on. Bro, I'm so fucking better now.
Oh my Jesus.
Laying down smoke.
One's going to hell. And they're taking a B.
Bro, they're not that hard.
No one glazes you either. That sounds cool. Don't push him. He's going back A.
Yeah.
Blending A.
Bomb has been planted.
Couple on the right.
No, he's so weak.
Yes!
Defusing the bomb.
I ran out of ammo.
Dude, my fucking keyboard is shitting out.
Defusing.
Oh my god, that was stressing me out. Fuck off.
I'll be honest, I was not paying attention. Watch.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
One down mid with a scout. Careful. Oh. No way. Tyson, please.
I'm throwing fire. Terrorists win. I fear no man.
Come and beat purple.
He's hit once.
One coming up. Two left.
Terrorists
He's jumping to door.
coming double door.
Long. Nice.
Edge.
There's no stopping up. Decoys out.
One in double doors.
What is going on?
Oh, he's in there.
I think one dropped a ramp, I don't know. Swear I heard
One on
something.
site with the Deagle. Go Tyson.
Plenty of aim.
Bomb has been planted.
Oh, nice track. Bomb's red.
Nice.
Nice job.
One up top. On a
Silo, yep.
Above you.
No, he's super weak on top of a mini.
You're
Nice
good.
job, Tyson. Last one was on top of Marshmallow.
One dropped. Yes!
good fucking shit.
You're right on.
That guy just got called out
Tyson,
so
you're
hard.
nuts, man. Nice job.
I'm prepped, bro. I'm prepped. What do you want?
Fuck, man. Up. When I go.
One close to you, one. You're on me. Money. You're better than
Yo.
Decoys out.
Honestly, it's been one of the hardest lessons I've had to learn in my life. It's just like sometimes you just play the game. Like you don't have to like exactly like it, but whatever. Bitch. Don't storm out there. You guys are food.
He's hit twice.
You guys are food.
Don't. I needed to get that last kill.
Did that.
Bro,
Stand right there. Stand right there.
Short. Oh, nice. Come on, bro. Go ahead. Touch it.
Oh, one on car still.
Whoa.
I'm kind of going crazy right now.
Hey, stay away from my desk.
No! Someone took my mojo. You took my mojo. Did he just let you do that?
Bitch.
I'm sorry, I got excited.
No shot. That was perfect.
Throwing fire. Throwing a grenade. Counter-terrorists win. Move.
What is that?
What the fuck?
I was in my buy menu and clicked on something, but I walked out of the fucking buy menu. I swear to God I didn't Zeus him. I mean, I Zeused him, but God,
You did Zeus
I
him.
did Zeus him.